What resonated with me most about MongoDB's culture is that it's driven by curiosity and learning at all levels. As an intern, anytime I had a question, regardless of the title or position of the person that I was speaking with, they always made sure to answer my questions and were very invested in my growth.
One aspect of MongoDB's culture that has really resonated with me is the hybrid work environment, which really balances trust on the one hand, where I feel like leads and directors and just the entire leadership team really trust their employees to get their work done.
Something that stood out to me about the culture is just the emphasis on learning and continuously changing. I feel like people here aren't afraid to try new things or innovate, which really sets the tone for myself on how I'm also welcome to try new things. And I really feel like that's really valuable for my growth, especially at this stage of my career.
I think the value I resonate with most in my internship has been make it matter. I think no matter the role you are in, you know that your work will be used and that it will be making an impact to make your customers have a better experience.
The value that stands out to me is own what you do. Throughout my internship, I was given full autonomy of my project and trusted by my mentor to be the subject matter expert. And so I had to make data-driven opinions and be able to justify them and explain them to various stakeholders. That experience highlighted to me the importance of owning what I do.
One MongoDB value that really sticks out to me is build together. I have sort of had to learn how to collaborate in a professional environment, working with my mentor, working with everyone on my team, just asking a bunch of questions because, coming in, there are so many things I don't know. It was helpful for me to see other people on my team also asking questions.
The values are also focused on community building as well as impact and making sure to embrace both the success as well as the mistakes we have, which I think that's super important. No matter your role in this company, intern to senior level executives, you know that you'll be making an impact.